Hi guys, how can you create the glass shutter effect in Photoshop? Let's do it step by step. First, Photoshop. Go to File, place Embedded, and insert the glass shutter image. Adjust it properly over the main image and press Enter. Select the glass shutter layer. Go to Blending mode and choose Screen. Now select your main background image and create a copy. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Start selecting shutter shapes manually. Hold the Shift key to select multiple areas. Select as many shutter pieces as you like. After completing the selections, click Add Layer Mask. Unlink the mask and remove the middle link icon between the layer and mask. Go to Adjustment Layer, Solid Color. Select a green color and press OK. Change the blending mode of this layer to Soft Light. Right-click on the solid color layer and select Create Clipping Mask. And that's it. You've successfully created the glass shutter effect in Photoshop.